Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Something that's helping me to feel more comfortable when I take a drive by myself and need to get out and walk or go into the grocery store or pump gas is having this personal alarm from 3DActive. I love how small and compact it is. It can fit easily into my pocket. I like to just leave it kind of hanging out of my pocket on my keychain, or I can easily hang it on my bag and have it really readily available for any moment that I might need it. You simply pull the loop at the top of the alarm, and then of course it will start sounding the alarm, and the light will flash as well, so it can really notify someone that you are in need of help. I love the convenience of having the light on the alarm itself, because that's so nice when I need to be able to see to my car at night, and that also helps me to feel more comfortable and aware of my surroundings. This color is really pretty. It's aqua. It's one of my favorites, but 3DActive has other colors as well. This is really nice for me to have for myself, but it would really be a nice gift to give to anyone that you just want to have a little extra peace of mind knowing that they have it available if they need it. I don't leave home without this personal alarm, and neither should you. And that's my point of view.